pressure is on for Liverpool. The wait is over.
Hello and welcome to Final Score with me, J-Mo. We have exciting 2 minutes for you. It's been a crazy weekend of sport and I'll be bringing you on the breaking news as it happens. The breaking news. Incredible news here. Liverpool 0, Llanelli Town 6. That's amazing. Manchester United 0. Furnace Vagabonds 6 get in. Incredible result. Fabulous news for the small town. And wow, what's this on my screen? FFion From Furmace has been appointed a manager of the Welsh team. And yes, we can cross to her right now. Over. Oh, jeez. I'm the Wales manager for the team. Alright, I'll sort them out. Crack in. Back to you, Jace. Well, I really don't know what to say about that. I know I can do is cut in and have a drink. In my case, I'll have a cup of tea.
It's over.